At the Poole College of Management, we are deeply committed to providing transformative educational experiences that go beyond the classroom. High-impact experiences, such as internships and study abroad programs, are proven to enhance student learning, engagement, and career readiness. These experiences help our students build critical skills, enhance their networks, and gain a competitive edge in the job market.
A high-impact experience is an immersive, hands-on learning opportunity where students can take what they've learned in the classroom and apply it to real-world situations. Whether students are interning with a company, studying abroad, or leading a student organization, our HIEs will equip them with the tools, confidence, and perspective that employers are really looking for. We want our students to thrive in a global landscape, so our students won't just study business, they'll practice it. From the moment a student steps into the Poole College of Management, they will see our commitment to high-impact experiences. Starting with their very first class, every single student will complete a high-impact experience action plan, where we will put them in touch with the resources and people who can help them on their path.
When I came to Poole College, I was definitely still figuring out who I was, and through my high-impact experiences, I've really been able to find that. A high-impact experience means to me the opportunity to try something completely new and put yourself outside of your comfort zone. Honestly, a year ago, I didn't know what a sales competition was, and now I'm here as the president of the sales club, and it has been a transformative opportunity for me to become more involved.
Employers are looking for self-starters, people who can understand their business the second they get into a job interview. High-impact experience has allowed me to fully develop my communication skills, understand what makes me stand out as a graduate, and find a role at a company that I can really succeed in.
High-impact experiences are for everyone. We are committed to making these experiences accessible for all students, regardless of their background, their circumstances, or their area of study within Poole.
High-impact experiences play a critical role because they're going to make sure that our students graduate with the skills that will perpetuate them for life. They will have the critical thinking, communication, resilience to really achieve at a high level throughout their careers.
Good grades will get you the jobs that are available. High-impact experiences will get you the careers that you want.